You're ready. You're on.
Hi, my name is Ziva Faye. I have been modeling since 2012. I started modeling by taking classes at my local community college where I was drawing models. And I had such a fun time drawing models that one day one of the models didn't show up. And I was paying for college out of my own pocket. And I was kind of in a rough domestic situation. So class was canceled because the model didn't show up. And the professor was like, go home, class is canceled. And I was like, pardon me, professor, is there any way that we can stay in class today? Can we do a life drawing? Can we draw like a fruit bowl or like a log? Like, can some of us stay? I was like, can today not be a graded day? Like, can I stay? And, he was really nice professor, and we had, like, a bond, and his daughter passed away right when I started class, so I was kind of, like, giving him advice, and I was around her age, and he was kind of giving me advice, and when I asked him that, he was like, well, why don't you model? And I was just like, what? Like, me? And then I was like, wait, does it pay? That was literally my response. And he goes, yeah, this was 2012, the year I graduated high school. And I went straight from high school to community college. And he was like, you just need to go to the front office, fill out some paperwork. I filled out the paperwork. I walked straight back to class. And I got paid $18.88 per hour, which back then it was like, oh my gosh, my part-time job. I'm bankrolling. I modeled for the community college from 2012 to 2016, and I exclusively modeled for the community colleges all around the area for like the first 4 years of my performing and modeling, because I was really nervous about having people see me naked and actually taking pictures and videos of me. So I figured if they take drawings of me or sculptures, like, that's not as bad. But then after a couple of years, I kind of got over my stage fright, and my grandmother passed away in April 2016, and after she passed away, I decided I was going to start having pictures of me online, because that's the person who respectively raised me, and I didn't want to disrespect her. And that's how I kind of started my modeling journey. I met a few promoters and producers in the area, and I just started working really hard when I first started, and I started just hitting the ground running, and I was doing as many photo shoots as I could, paid and trade, just trying to get out there.